Okay, it is so cool. In my backyard, we had made a birdhouse, and inside of it, a mummy has hatched her baby birds. So I am going to go show you these little guys. They're so cute. Of course, I hope the mother doesn't not come back. But if you touch a baby bird, it's just a myth that the mother won't come back. Just a myth. Why am I glad it's just a myth? Alright. Here's the birdhouse. I'm going to bring it to the couch. They are so cute. Gotta show you these guys. If I don't, I will just be like, Okay. Here they are. Here they are. I want to name them or something. They are so cute. This birdhouse has been here forever. I'll show you them when they grow up. But I love these little guys. Okay. That's it. Bye-bye.